Several of you guys have been asking, where's the renovation video? How come it hasn't been posted yet? Well, it's finally here, but it's not here on my channel. It's over on the N-Ext DIY channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Head on over there and check it out. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll give you a further update here in a few days on what's leading up to this. So far I'm at day 5 post seeding, and it's looking pretty good. But head on over to the N-Ext channel and check out the renovation.